Ted Picha from Bangkok, Thailand has recently finished a training session on traditional Chinese medicine at a hospital in Lanzhou, northwest China's Gansu province. The 2-week training session was part of an educational project for TCM practitioners, jointly organized by the affiliated hospital of Gansu University of Chinese Medicine and the Qihuang Traditional Chinese Medicine Center of Thailand.
我学习中医是因为我想照顾我的父母、我爱的人，还有其他接受治疗的人。我希望自己能够帮助他们。我来到中国后，学到了很多知识，还认识了一些可爱的中国朋友。
Gansu Province is a major producing area of Chinese medicinal materials. In recent years, the local government has actively promoted the international exchange of traditional Chinese medicine.
就是我们今天给他们就这个展示的这个我们的这个龙派小儿推拿，我觉得这个他们的这个接受程度也特别高，感觉很有天赋的这样子的。我也希望他们有更多的时间能够留在这里，让我们的推拿老师呢能够带着他们，把我们这个甘肃所特有的这个小儿推拿这个流派呢。这个技术能够带回到他们国内，然后推广给我们这个我们国外的这个患儿啊，更多的这个让我们海外的这些的这个孩子们能够更多的受益吧。
Since 2013, Gansu has established 16 overseas traditional Chinese medicine centers or educational institutions in 12 countries, including Thailand, Hungary, and Belarus.